Hi guys, welcome to New Tech Zone YouTube channel. To get notified mind-blowing latest technology news visible right in your YouTube homepage. Subscribe and click bell button. Thank you.
Hi guys, in this video guide I am going to show you how to disable Windows Auto Update permanently from your computer. So method 1, right click on your taskbar and click Task Manager, and from your tabs select Services and click Open Services. In here you have to find Windows Update. So scroll down and find Windows Update in here. Okay, that's it. Windows Update, double click on that and select startup type as disabled, and if it is already run you have to click stop and click apply and OK. Second method, you have to press Windows key plus R to appear run screen. So in this type services.msc and press enter or click OK. And here you can find there is an option application management. Click that and search Windows Update in this area. You can find here there is an option Windows Update. Double click that and startup type as disable and apply and OK. Method number 3, press Windows key plus R and in run you have to type gp edit.msc and click OK or press enter. And you can find here computer, under computer configuration select administrative templates, and in right area you have to select Windows components, and in this area you have to select Windows Update. In here you can find there is an option configure automatic updates. Double click that and make sure you have disable this one. Click disable, apply and OK. Okay, now let's find fourth method to disable Windows Update. Click Start and Settings, and you can find Update and Security. Click that and click Windows Update, and here you can find there is an option Advanced Options. Click that and make sure under Update option disable these two things. Disable give me updates for the other micro product and automatic download updates. Disable both of them. Also if you want you can pause update by enable or disable. Okay, now let's find method number 5. So if you are using Windows 8.1 you can do something like this. Go to the settings and click change PC settings, and you can find here there is an option update and recovery. Click that and you can find here choose how updates get installed. and make sure you have disabled both of these recommended updates and the Microsoft update. So make sure you untick both of them. Also, you can go to the control panel. So now let's find the method number 6 in Windows 8.1. So go to the control panel, and here you can find Windows Update and click change settings. So you can find here import updates. So make sure never check for updates and click OK. So that's method number 6. Okay guys, here we have shown you 6 methods to disable or stop automatic Windows update in your computer. So if you guys know any other methods to disable or stop Windows automatic update, please don't forget to mention in comment, or if you have any questions or issues or anything else, please comment below and I will try my best to reply all the comments as soon as possible. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to stay tuned more latest videos. Thank you.
If you like our videos, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to stay tuned more awesome latest tech videos. Thank you.